Can't have anything when you have cats. Nothing is yours. Not a thing. Not even the box. From the present I received. She's rubbing on it. I don't know if you can hear her. Will you get out of my box?
I got it. It's underneath. Blue Cross one if you want it. I do smoke grenades.
Okay, cool. Alright, anyway. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mrs. Whoa. Again, can't have anything when you have cats. Sorry, she's left me. So, we're free! Yay! Freedom! Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ashley. I am Mrs. Y is Fly. And I wanted to do a little unboxing from the YouTube Teacher Valentine Exchange that we had, I guess in the last month or so, that Ruth organized. Hello, lovely Ruth. Thank you for organizing this. It was a lot of fun. For those of you who don't know, what we did was sort of a Secret Santa kind of thing, but we had the opportunity to spoil a fellow teacher YouTuber from our group, so we all signed up kind of anonymously to be involved, and the agreement was you were going to receive a gift from someone at random that also signed up to participate in the exchange, and then you sent a surprise gift to your assigned teacher as well. So my gift arrived a couple days ago, actually, but I hadn't had the opportunity to film sort of an official unboxing, and it actually came in 2 packages, which is really funny because I got the one and it just is in like an Amazon box, and I order a lot from Amazon, probably way more than I should. So when I went to the post office, I received this box and something else that I actually did order and I knew about, and I was like, oh my god, did I order something else? My dog is attacking my other cat. Crisis averted. So I received this other box and I was like, oh no, did I order something? And I order so much I don't even remember what it is. Like, there's a problem. So I was like, oh my god. Really? Yay. So I was worried about my shopping habits, needless to say. But all is well, because it was actually a gift. I didn't buy anything I didn't remember. Woo-wee. So, I received this lovely gift, like I said, in 2 packages. So in my first, here I'll keep it separate. In my first package, I received 2 amazing things from the lovely Stephanie at, what is this? Hold on. The lovely Stephanie at Schoolhouse Wrap. Oh, I didn't even realize I could send a thank you card. I didn't even know Amazon had that option. I didn't even see these little send a thank you note deals. I didn't know they did this when you sent a gift. Yep, so it's from Stephanie at Schoolhouse Wrap, and I got 2 things in this box. Number 1, I haven't opened it yet, but I'm a huge fan of these, and I think every teacher needs to have one, is a wireless presenter with laser pointer. I feel like a beauty blogger, right? Just kidding. Not a beauty blogger at all. So let's see what this one's all about. This one looks different than the one that I currently have. The one I have, I got on eBay, I think, for pretty cheap. But it's really nice because you can plug it into your computer and you can do like PowerPoint or Prezi, and you can still circle the room without having to be like chained to your computer, which is nice. But this one is cool. I love it. Ooh, I'll have to give it a try. It's so slim and nice. Mine's kind of weird and kind of funky, and I lost the little button that turns it like on and off, like snapped off, so I use like an open paper clip. in that, which is probably really safe. But it works still, whatever. I just have it messed up a little bit. That's alright. So, wireless laser pointer. Awesome gift. I will use it because my other one's starting to kind of die a little bit. So, how'd you know? It's like you knew. Love it. Then, there's no teacher on earth that doesn't love pens and stationery. I think that's just who we are. It's just what makes our fiber. I don't even know. So these are Pilot Friction, probably. Frixion. Anyway, clicker pens. They are erasable, retractable, and refillable in assorted colors. Girl, it's like you knew me. I love them. I haven't tried them yet, but I'm a big fan of all the different colors. I also like that. I feel like all teachers are kind of picky about pens, which is weird, but let me see. Oh, wait. Oh, erasable. I got you. This is the eraser at the top. Don't let it fool you. Okay. Oh, erasable clicker, though. Shouldn't this clicky? Oh my god! How is it smarter than I am? I'm gonna get this. I'll put this on the bloopers. Should I have a blooper reel for a vlog? This is kind of comical. How do I... Like, are we seeing this? Ha! Right? Like, shut the front door. I should give it to my students. They'll have no idea what they're doing. I love it! Alright, let's see. Ooh, and they're like fine pointed. So you can see. Ooh. I love it. So my thing is, I love pens that have this. Because at school I have to wear a lanyard with my keys, my ID and stuff on it. So I put, when I have my hair down and I can't stick pens in my hair like I usually do in my ponytail kind of thing for a pen, so I always have one, which these will work great for too, because the grippy part isn't like real sticky. If you try to stick the grippy sticks in your hair, it's like, it's bad. So I need like the you know, ability to do that, I guess. But when you have the little guy, I can clip it on my lanyard when I got my hair down, and these will be great. Alright. Ooh, an erasable? Like, shut the front door. I'm gonna try this out on real paper, not on my freaking box. Alright, so, got some pens, got a wireless remote, which I love. Then, I don't know how you knew. Oh, I know how you knew. I got you, Miss Stephanie. My Instagram, probably. She sent me this awesome tote bag. And, like, I can't even. I can't even. Do we see it? The Tambourine Queen? That's my Stevie Nicks. Like, shut up. Like, love it. Oh. So, love it. Just little totes bag. But again, what teacher doesn't love just another little tote bag? Because you never know when you're going to need one. Especially ones like these like thin, just cotton kind of ones. I like throwing down in like my backpack. So if I need an additional bag for whatever reason, you just pull it out. I might actually start using this one at the gym, which would be cool. Because I take like a big gym bag with like clothes, my shoes, and all my stuff in it. But then I like having a smaller bag in like the weight room for like my gloves and a headband if I need it. And I keep a little notebook with like my weights and reps and things like that. So I have progress, and I like keep my phone in it and whatnot. So I might use that for this, because this will fit real down in my big gym bag. So much easier than the current bag I'm using. So I love it. Love, 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 love. So thank you, Miss Stephanie, for the wonderful surprises. As a couple other teachers have mentioned in their unboxing for the Valentine's Day exchange, Vlogs have mentioned February is just tough. Just kind of in a slump. Like, ugh. I'm just like, bleh. We have break next week, which is nice, but this week, it just makes this week even harder because it's a shorter week for us because we have Winter Carnival on Friday, but some of our events are actually tomorrow. So tomorrow, Wednesday, on Valentine's Day, we actually have half-day schedule for classes, and then we have half a day of Winter Carnival events. And then Thursday, we have a couple Winter Carnival events in the afternoon, and then Friday, it's all day. If you don't know about Winter Carnival, which I didn't before I came to my school I'm at now, it's essentially like freshmen, sophomores, juniors, seniors, all against one another in multiple different kinds of events. There's events for everyone and everything, and so we have, for example, like tomorrow we have lip sync and quiz bowl. Lip sync is, a group activity. They get to choreograph a dance to a song. They have to mouth the words, which my freshmen should be great at. Sorry, excuse me, being that I was a theater teacher, they better be good. So that's tomorrow, and then Thursday, and then Friday. So kids are just off the wall. They're not learning anything. I'm just done. Like, we're just trying to stay afloat. Trying to get some final essays from my freshmen before break, which is like pulling teeth. And keeping my seniors just sane before they stage a mutiny on me. But yeah, so as a couple other people have said, and I digressed into Winter Carnival, the February teacher Valentine's Day exchange, Ruth, was timed perfectly, because February is just tough, and I think this kind of shows us that, we're appreciated. Yay! And people are paying attention to us, and it's important for us to support each other. So, great exchange, Ruth. I love it. I wish we would have known each other when we worked in the same district. We worked in buildings next door to each other and didn't know each other. That sucks. I wish we would have got to hang out a little bit when we worked in the same district. But now I live way on the East Coast. Still repping my city, though. That's right. Wore my Tigers jacket to school today for Team Spirit Day for Spirit Week. So I wore my Tigers shirt, repping my city. Right, my first love. So, that's all I got for today. Just a little unboxing, and I hope everybody's having a great week. And I hope everyone's break is coming up soon, and it will be here, and we'll make it, and we're gonna be okay. That's it from me. So, I'm gonna go work on my yearbook a little bit, because that's due in a couple weeks. Thanks. And what else? Watch a little Netflix, go to bed. Exciting. Tuesday. So, if you haven't already, like the video below, subscribe, and I will catch you all later. Bye.